Oh, you know who going public tomorrow?
Who? Wait, don't tell me. I know. Reddit?
They went public today. They sold at about 48% over what they was asking for.
Wait, so what was the final share? I think it when...
I didn't get into it. Y'all, you know I'm a Buffett guy. IPO to us stands for it's probably overpriced.
Yeah.
But tomorrow, what's that Donald Trump thing?
Oh, wait. I thought they went public already.
They going public tomorrow.
I thought they came out as a SPAC. It was DWAC.
No, they come.
Okay, so are they...
Truth Social.
Truth Social.
Yep.
So are they converting
Yeah.
DWAC? So they're doing, I forget what they call it, an acquisition is what, I guess...
No, they going public.
I mean, I know that's the outcome of it, but I forget what they...
I don't know what it used to be. I know what it is going to be tomorrow. So are you...
Well, tomorrow it's going to be called Truth Social.
Right. You on board or no?
I mean, it depends on the share price, Chris. I don't know.
So you not in with Trump? I thought you were a Trumper.
I'm not saying all that. I'm just saying, hey, I still can't overpay.
You got any questions or comments from the last time we talked?
Well, I do have comments.
Okay.
Not from the last time, but from this time. So if we're talking about DWAC, about to be Truth Social, I'm not sure what the ticker symbol is going to be because I didn't even know it was happening. But I do know this. You want to know an interesting fact that's pretty much a useless fact, but it's cool to know?
What's that?
I'm sure everybody here would love to know that the Ape Father is, pushing DWAC on his shorts, all over his channel, and that's getting about 20 views per video these days, sometimes 10, sometimes 1.
Oh, wow. We should go watch him.
Well, we'll watch him sometime.
We'll watch him, man. We got to get
Yeah,
that
we'll
out.
watch him because
He's
we got to get
a
his
good
views
guy.
up.
He's a good guy because he really believed in AMC. You remember when we told these guys to get the heck out?
I did. I got mad.
So they got mad, and you should put that video in the link below.
I'll have to find it. That was like years ago.
Yeah, man. We told them, we said one thing that you need to do as a shareholder is watch management. And when management bails, you bail. Yeah. Imagine being in a shopping mall. All of a sudden, 30 people just take off running. Are you going to just go and look and see what they're running from? Or you're just going to run out the door with them, and when you get in the parking lot, you can figure out, to quote Cedric the Entertainer, why we was running, what was all the running for. But we'll find that stuff out in the parking lot.
Yeah,
so
and I actually have a true story about this. It actually happened to me, and
really, okay,
it was just like you said. I ran with him.
Yeah, and once we get outside, we can figure out who we were running from, what the threat was, do a threat analysis, all that. But at the moment, we're gonna get out of Dodge. Yeah. So management bailed at $68.74 a share, and Ape Father and some other people told you to hold on to your chicken tenders, and those chicken tenders, what are they trading at now?
What was it, $8 or something? Maybe.
Yeah, we got scolded by a lot of apes for putting that out there. So
by a lot of true investors.
Yeah. I get trolled still by NVIS. Am I allowed to talk about NVIS?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Good gosh, yeah. Let's talk about NVIS.
They're putting LiDAR sensors for forklifts now.
I'm sorry, what?
Forklifts.
What?
$250 million later.
Okay.
And just released $150 million worth of new shares. So shares are trading at $1.75. So get ready for about, what's that, 75 million new shares?
Man, so yeah, you know what? Genius those guys are, because who would have thought LiDAR sensors for forklifts? Like, I would have never thought of that.
Man, it is.
I would have never thought of that to rip people off.
I told them, I
Because
said,
it's never
man,
gonna happen.
the only thing I got against them is I want the share price to rise so I can short them. But I can't get under that dollar.
No.
I wanted to go to 10 because I know Sumit.
Wait, is Sumit Sharma still the
He's
CEO?
still the CEO.
Wow.
He
He's
is
still there, huh?
He's the share printer.
Yeah. Well,
You ever heard of a snake whisperer or a dog whisperer?
Oh, man.
He's the stock whisperer. He can make
your money.
He just the only thing he has sold successfully as a CEO in stock shares.
Wait, are you trying to insult this man?
Was
that like a?
I'm just looking for accountability
Oh,
because
Chris.
I drank the Kool-Aid. I was an investor.
Chris, did you really
I drank the Kool-Aid.
Did you really just say that?
And
man.
and listening to him talk, it's like, man, this guy is going to put this LiDAR on a forklift.
Yeah. Now,
And
when
I
he's
said,
done
I
with that,
gotta
I
do
need
that.
him to put some on my Roomba.
What's
too.
next? Scooters?
No, a Roomba. That, you know, those little vacuum things.
Oh, yeah.
They definitely need LiDAR. I mean,
Yeah, man. So it's crazy over there, and I just want answers because I was a bag holder, Pat. I mean, I drank the Kool-Aid, and I don't see anything. At least go out and say we almost lost this deal or won or whatever, dude. He just, next thing you know, it's a video up. They keep going to all these trade shows, and they keep coming away with nothing and go to another trade show. I'm like, quit buying these trade shows. Oh.
well, the people that believe in Sumit Sharma certainly.
Sumer, the share whisperer.
Yeah.
Sharma.
That dude, he
Dude, who's going on his thumbnail? Is it Sumit Sharma or Donald Trump?